Hello, my dear students. A very good morning to all of you. Welcome to your EVS lecture. So, children, today we are going to learn about waterways. So, in our last lecture, we had learned about the. You can tell me what we had learned? We had learned about the roadways, right? So, today we are going to learn about the waterways. So, children, what is it? It is that waterways like rivers, seas, and oceans help us to travel by water. So the waterways like rivers, seas, oceans help us to travel by water. So children, we can also travel by water. Okay. Then ships, then boats, yachts, canoes, and rafts sail on the water and are means of water transport. So these sail on the water. Ships, okay, ships, boats, yachts, and then it is canoes and rafts. Okay, these all sail on water and are the means of water transport. Okay, then ships are large and they sail from seaports. Okay, the ships you can see in the picture here, the ships they are very large and they sail from seaports. And then the ships that carry goods are called cargo ships. Very large and they sail from the seaports. Okay, and ships that carry goods Ships that carry goods are called cargo ships. Okay, the ships that carry goods are called cargo ships. Okay, children, so you have to remember this. Then the boats carry fewer people than ships do. Why? Because boat is small and the ship is very large, right? And here you can see cargo ship. It is used to transport goods. Okay, so the ships are large and the boats are small, and the ships carry larger number of people while the boat carry fewer number of people. And the cargo ship is used for what? It is used to carry goods. Okay? Then some ships take you on a vacation. So do you know what are they called? So what can you do on these ships? So can you tell me that what can you do on these ships? So in this type of ships you can enjoy, you can eat, you can play, and then there's also a swimming pool inside, and there's lots of things inside that you can do. Okay, so have you heard of cruise? Okay, so it takes you from one place to another and then you can enjoy your vacation. Okay, in that, and it is very large and you have everything inside it. Everything. And then there are many rooms. There's a gym, there's a swimming pool, there's a restaurant, there's a discotheque. Okay, so there are many, many, many things. So from now, whenever you see the picture, you have to notice. Okay. Okay, so today we learned about the waterways. So, children, waterways like rivers, seas, and oceans help us to travel by water. Then, ships, boats, yachts, canoes, and rafts sail on water and are means of transport. And children, ships are very large and they sail from seaports. And the ships that carry goods are called cargo ships. Okay, and as I told you that boats carry fewer people than the ships do. Okay, so now let's see the new words that are waterways, rivers, ocean, yacht. That is waterway, river, ocean, yacht, canoes, raft, carry, cargo, vacation, ship, seaport, goods, and the last one is it is travel. Okay, so that's all for today's EVS lecture. So thank you and have a very good day.